Welcome to all students in this online video. BA Part 2nd, Semester 3rd, Subject English Literature. In last video, I have completed chapter 1st, the essay. In this video, we are going to learn chapter 2nd, the novel. So here we are learning chapters of a background to the study of English literature. So now we are learning chapter 2nd. Remember chapter 2nd, and in chapter 2nd we are learning the novel. So here we will see the information about novel, what is structure, how to origin of novel, what is definition, etc. So here firstly we see introduction. The origin of novel lay in the medieval romance. So novel is originated from the medieval romance, and also we know novel means novel is more than prose, and there is a particular book written in particular structure of the novel. It is called novel. That novel is origin from medieval age. It took its origin from the fantastic story of the love and adventure. And basically, at that time, many novels are based on love and adventure. So there are theme of novels are love and adventure. So here is the example of in 1950 Boccaccio wrote a world famous love story entitled Decameron. There is Boccaccio in 1350. He wrote the novel Decameron, and theme of that novel is love. So remember this novel. So short story in Italian were called the novelle or novel. Spelling is different. So it is called short story firstly, and after that become the novel. So this is our spelling of novel is Novel, and this spelling is Nove. So there is a remember spelling between two. Yes, spelling is current novel, and another spelling is Boccaccio's time novel. So here is Marriott Crawford. Marriott Crawford defines of the novel. So he defines novel has a pocket theatre. So he defines of novel as a pocket theatre, means there is a book particular, we can take that book and we can read anywhere. That's why it is pocket theatre. Because if you see or watch the drama, there is a need of the particular stage. But for novel, there is a no particular stage. There is a need. There is a no need of the stage. We can take particular book and we can go anywhere. We can read that novel. That's why it is pocket theatre. A summary of actual life. Yes, novel is a summary of actual life, because novel has been written on particular man, particular situation, particular place, issues. These issues related with social, political, educational, etc. So that is summary of actual life. For example, there is a novel of Daniel Defoe. Daniel Defoe's novel is Robinson Crusoe. So Robinson Crusoe is based on Robinson, and he was an adventure man. It is more formally defined as a long narrative in prose detailing the action of fictitious people. Yes, that is definition also is, you remember. A long narrative in prose Okay, detailing the action of fictitious people. There are the fictitious people because novel is written on the fictitious people, means there is a disguised people, there is a imagination people, because novel is depend on the imagination, there is a reality, but after that there are the characters. Particular novelist take his imagine as per his point of view. So that is the action of fictitious people. So you remember, means there is particular novelist. Firstly, imagine how to write and what to write in the particular novel, and after that he write the novel. It is the richest form of the literary art. Yes, richest form. Richest form means there is no need of the stanza, rhythm, meter. Whatever idea in the novel is, he can write in particular this form, novel. Another definition of W.H. Hudson. Anyone can write a novel who has pens, ink and paper. Think about. According to him, if you have inks and pen, at that time inks is used to write any paper. That person write can the novel. That is the definition of the W.H. Hudson, not me. Remember. Yet command and the certain amount or leisure and the patience. So there is a need of the patience. That is the novel. Novel means like the biggest book, like size of that book. So here is also one novel. The guide is prescribed our syllabus. If you want to what is novel, so you see that novel, you also purchase, or that novel is available in our library, you take and read. After that you understand what is novel. So now we are going to learn structure. So let us learn its structure of novel. A novel, like a play, has a plot. So think about, like the play, novel has plot. This is the need of the plot. To a great extent is the character. Like play also there is a need of the characters. Reveal themselves and they are the intentions, a dialogue. Also there is a need of the dialogue, like the play. Means structure is like the play. Means many parts of novel structure are like drama's structure. The dramatist makes use, see while the novelist present us which cannot be shown on the stage. Yes, dramatist show on the stage, novelist cannot be shown on the stage his character or novel's characters. So novel has no rigid framework. Yes, there is no particular rigid framework like the drama. The novelists have taken a great advantage. They are the eager to represent life in its fullness. Because of this, it becomes the typical form they to maintain artistic unity to balance in the narrative describing characterization. There is a narrative, there is a first person, second person, third person. Narratives are used in the novel. So that is the structure. Now, the earlier work of the English fiction, such as the Nya's Unfortunate Traveller. So that is famous novels. Unfortunate Traveller is written by Nyas, and it is a picaresque novel. So there is a adventure structure. What stories of the action? Yes, because there is a picaresque novel, so definitely there is a stories of the action. Already also picaresque novel. This term is learned in literary terms. In modern novels, action is subordinate. In the greatest novel, plot and the characters are the originally connected for instance. So there is a means plot, character, dialogue are connected each other, and after that particular novel become famous. So these are the things are important. There is also Don Quixote novel. This is also famous, and this is based on the adventure Don Quixote. That is a humor novel. So it can have any setting or the background. Certain writers have limited themselves to the local setting. For example, Thomas Hardy wrote on the Wessex. R.K. Narayan wrote on the Malgudi. I will discuss about Malgudi. So you remember, Kipling speaks about the Sussex. Disraeli and the Trollope wrote novel on the politician and the country families. John Galsworthy and Hugh Walpole wrote novel on the upper middle class. So these are the settings of the novel. Means particular writer wrote on the particular place. Means novel is set on the particular place. So there is also setting is important. So here we completed this. In next video we will learn the next part of this chapter. Thank you.